To the surprise of many, lawyers often get asked what kind of divorce lawyer should they look for when they're contemplating a divorce. And I would say to any client, as I've said to many of our clients and to their family members, when you're selecting a divorce attorney, you'll find a wide range of divorce lawyers. Should I get that aggressive bulldog attorney? Or should I get the guy that specializes in men's rights, if there's such specialty, or father's rights, or that represents female or abuse victims? You're going to see folks that profess to have a wide range of experience in all different kinds of law. When actually, divorce law, it's divorce law. But what I would say, what's more important than any of that stuff, obviously you need someone that has, an understanding of the law, experience in the law. What's more important is that they understand that this is a family. It's two people's lives who, for whatever period of time, have been joined together, mingled together, their finances, their emotions. In some cases, have had children together. And this is not just representing someone and collecting a paycheck. It is trying to piece together the family. Oftentimes, sometimes family lawyers forget that these people still have to be involved with each other, especially those that have children, have to be involved with each other long after the decree of dissolution has been issued by an applicable court of competent jurisdiction. These folks still have to get along, their children, their grandchildren, their family members that don't go away. And so you have to have someone that understands the dynamic of the family, that are sensitive and empathetic to the issues, the concerns, and to the needs, but that has the ability to balance, to deal with the emotions that come along, and not only to counsel as it relates to arduous representation, but sometimes to counsel the client, hey, maybe you shouldn't do that, maybe that doesn't look good. It's a very arduous process. It becomes an emotional process sometimes for even the lawyers. We have families ourselves, we have children ourselves, and spouses ourselves. And so you really want someone that has that great balance, that legal prowess, that professional decorum to themselves, but that empathy, that understand that this is the dynamic of a family, and that can meet that client where they are emotionally, and because oftentimes that client being represented by that lawyer is a part of the healing process of them moving forward in their lives. So I would always tell someone that's looking for a family law, look at somebody, yes, that knows how to aggressively represent you, but that also knows how to walk that fine line and that balance, and making sure that they are being holistic in their counsel to you, and they understand the dynamic of the family. And again, you'll have a spectrum of lawyers out there. Some people that are way too much on the the emotional counseling side, and some people that are just way too much. They're just all legal. They don't care anything about it. Write them a check, they're showing up to court. I don't think you want either of those extremes. I think you want someone that can occupy that middle space and can represent you arduously. You make sure your claims are forwarded, but understand that you, at the end of the day, are a human, and this is your family, whether you're glad to get out or whether you still have some hesitancy in getting out. Each case is different. Have that lawyer that you can connect with, that you understand, that understands where you are, what your interests are, and they can represent that interest and help you move forward to the next place of your life. And we do that here at Smith & Green. There are other firms that do that, but you would certainly need to make that connection with that lawyer that fits you.